So you're here at the aviary.
Hi, my name is Nazia. I have studied wildlife and management in Coimbatore University, which is located in the Tiger Reserve itself. And now I'm working as an animal educator in Birds of Paradise. Since the animal love brought me over here.
Okay, birds of ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುವಂತದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲದು ಹೆಬ್ಬಾವು ಸರಿನಾ. ಅಂಡ್ ಹೆಬ್ಬಾವಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಷ ಇರತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ಒಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೆಬ್ಬಾವನ್ನ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ದೆಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಏನ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ? ರೀಡ್ಸ್. ನನಗೂ ಶೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೇಕು.
ನಮ್ಮೊಂಚೂರು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ನನಗೇನು ಫೋಟೋ ಗಿಟ ಏನು ಬೇಡ.
ಓಕೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಮು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ದು ಇದಾಗತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಅವಾಗ ಇಟ್ಕೊಬೋದು.
Hi everybody, this is Geeta and I work in the farm of Birds of Paradise. We have 40 plus species of exotic wild pet animals here.
Okay, so in Birds of Paradise Foundation we have many exotic animals. Most of them are rescued and some of them are donated, and few of them, like the rarest one, we bought them. Why? For the educational purpose. Most of the school visit they come and they will call them as a timon and all. So that's how we catch the attention. Like we have the raccoon, so they'll call them as the guardian of the galaxy. So like this, and most of the people they'll see the raccoon, the rats, the water rats, they call them as a hegna or something. But we show them these are the 11th biggest rat over here, which can live in both land and also water. Their specialty is they are subaquatic. That's how we spread the knowledge even to the elder one, and most of us, our target audience are the kids.
The purpose of these animals here is to educate people about it. Educational tour is the main motive of our farm. We want everyone to be educated about the animals, how to treat them, how to feed them, how to how to be around with them and all.
So you're here at the aviary where different types of birds from all around the country.
Cookie.
And the aviary of Birds of Paradise consists of birds that are given up to us, that were rescued by us, or that has come here for rehabilitation, right? So one of our founders, Karthik, he has a veterinary background, so he treats the birds that come in need. He gives them, this actually is their house to feel safe away from their home. See, these animals, they don't feel safe when they are like in the Indian wild, because they don't know the Indian wild, right? Or as pets, sometimes we are not able to give them what they actually need. We just keep them in a small cage. We give them the food that they don't eat. So that's very sad. And when they come over here in the Birds of Paradise aviary, they feel much safe.
Hello. Hi, so ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಋತಿಕ್ ಆರ್ವಿ ಅಂತ. So I've been rescuing snakes, handling snakes and studying on snakes from past 6 years. ಒಂದು 6 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಹಾವುಗಳ ಸಂರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮತ್ತು ಹಾವುಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಓದ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So I work here as an animal educator, as a herpetologist here in Birds of Paradise Foundation. So herpetarium is the place where you house or you keep a lot of rescued reptiles, snakes, and a lot of amphibians as well. So yeah, today we are here in the herpetarium, completely surrounded with a lot of rescued and cute little reptiles here. So yeah, coming back to the point, see, exotics, snakes, reptiles, athwa iguana, lizards and the Dakshna. In India, basically in India, we have a lot of myths.
ಹೌದು, ನಮಗೆ ಹಾವೊಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಯಾಕೆ? ನಮ್ಮ ಫುಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಗಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರುವಂತದ್ದು ಯಾರು? ಹಾವು. ರೈತರು ಬೆಳೆಯುವಂತ ಬೆಳೆಗೆ ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು ಯಾವುದು? ಇಲಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ರೋಡೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು ಹಾವು. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬಿಕೆಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು ಮೂಢನಂಬಿಕೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾಲು ಕುಡಿಯುತ್ತಾ ಹಾವು? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮ್ಯಾಮಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹಾಲು ಕುಡಿಯೋದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅದು ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಕುಡಿಯೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾಗಮಣಿ ಇರತ್ತಾ? ಅದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರ ಸೀರಿಯಲ್? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಹಾವುಗಳು ವಿಷಕಾರಿ ಹಾವುಗಳು, ಹೌದಾ? ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಹಾವಲ್ಲೂ ವಿಷ ಇರುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ 300ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಹಾವಿದೆ ಸ್ಪೀಶೀಸ್. ಆದ್ರೆ 97% ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲದೂ ಕೂಡ ವಿಷ ಇಲ್ದೇ ಇರುವಂತ ಹಾವು, ನಾನ್ ವೆನಮಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓನ್ಲಿ 3% ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಷ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ? ತನ್ನನ್ನ ಕಾಪಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಮತ್ತೆ ತನ್ನ ಪ್ರೇಗೆ ಸಾಯಿಸಿ ತಿನ್ನೋದಿಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಸರಿನಾ? ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ಅನ್ಲೆಸ್ ನಿಮ್ ಮನೆ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕ ಹಾವಿದೆ ಅಂದಾಗ ಅವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನೀವು ಸಾಹಸ ಮಾಡೋದಿಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಕಾಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅನ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್. ಸ್ನೇಕ್ ರೆಸ್ಕ್ಯೂರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಇರಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರವ್ರ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕರೀರಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತ್ರ ಸ್ನೇಕ್ನ ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ, ಸರಿನಾ? ಯಾವ್ದೇ ಹಾವನ್ನ ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡೋದಿಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಓಕೆ. Most of them, they don't know the difference between horse and a donkeys. That's why we have the domestic session over here to differentiate easily and educate the young ones. So first animal ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಂತ ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? ಹಾರ್ಸ್. ಆರ್ ಯು ಶ್ಯೂರ್ ಅದೊಂದು ಹಾರ್ಸ್? ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಇಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತಾ? ಯಾರು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? ಪೋನಿ. ಪೋನಿ. ಹೌದು, ಇದೊಂದು ಪೋನಿ.
Our animal facilitators provide you the most important facts, information, and other important data you need about the animals.
So the birds we get here for rehabilitation, they usually come from different pet stores that are not able to provide for their animals, right? These pet stores are ill kept. The birds, when they come here, they are either bullied or their health is completely at like gone almost.
Many people just get excited to the thing that they are exotic animals and they just adopt them. They cannot take care of them. So what they do is they leave these animals here and there in the wild. They even those exotic animals harm our own wild environment.
So the animals which you see here in the herpetarium are rescued from those peoples only, and a lot of pet shops as well. Please come. We have a lot of farms or NGOs which are giving up for adoption. You can pay for their food. ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವಂತ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹೆಂಗ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ.
Let the birds of different countries be in their own habitat, right? We can, if you want a bird as a pet, what you can do is you can rescue the regional birds that are in need. You can help them, you can give them water, you can give them shelter, you can be their friend, and that's how a proper coexistence will be. And you can come visit us, see our aviary. The space we have created, it is enough for so many birds. So if you guys, after this, if you think that you're doing bad to your bird, if your bird has not enough space or proper food or proper environment, you can give it up to us. You can contact us, we'll call you up and we'll take your birds and they'll be happy with their friends over here.
We don't just have the educational tour, we do have some activities like ATV rides, horse riding, Burma bridges, zip lines, and many more. Even fishing we have.
And please come visit the Birds of Paradise and different organizations like Birds of Paradise so that you can encourage spaces like this.
Please visit our farm because we need your help. When you visit us, we grow, and when we grow, we help the animals to grow.